Hi, do you want to know how to schedule a live video for your Facebook profile? So do you want to know how to schedule a live video for your Facebook profile? Then you're going to want to watch this video. Hi, I'm James Hannan from Rise Social Media, where we help you market and sell your products successfully online. Today we're talking about how you can schedule your live video on your Facebook profile. So if you like that idea, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell icon so that you receive a notification every time we produce a brand new video for YouTube.
Okay, so we're going to show you how you can create a Facebook event, including scheduling a Facebook event or a Facebook live video on your Facebook profile. So we're going to get straight into this. So we'll go here, share our screen, and we'll come in here and you'll notice that the first thing that we have here is that we've already come in to our what's called the new Facebook scheduler or platform here. But the way that we came here, we go back here onto our create a post. Okay, so I've clicked on create a post here, and then we want it to be a live video. So we come here, we click live video, and then that'll take us in to the studio or the Creator Studio. Now inside the Creator Studio, this is the new look from Facebook. So for those of you who have done lives in the past and it didn't look like this, this is the new look that Facebook has come out with. Now you'll notice here you have go live now, and then schedule a live, and then your upcoming live. So today, if you want to go live straight away, which we both do quite often, if you want to go live straight away, it's quite simple. You just click there and you fill in the details. But we want to do a scheduled live today. So we click here on schedule a live video on Facebook, or schedule a Facebook, it says schedule live, but now down here, let's work out when we're going to do it. Now I'm going to do this on my business page. Now I can do this up to 7 days in advance. However, we do find that's a fairly long time, so I'm actually going to do this afternoon. So I'm going to put a time in there for this afternoon, and we might make it, say, 2 o'clock this afternoon. Okay, it does use 24-hour time, so we put that in there. Now this is going on my profile. This is for your Facebook profile. Now I can share it. If I want to change it just from my profile, I can come here. So it says here timeline. Timeline is on my profile. I can share to a page I manage, which will show you that later in another video, or share, and I can also share it into a group. Sharing into a group is interesting. If you have a group, you can actually share into a group from a profile or from a page, which, but we're not going into that today. Today it's just about your timeline, scheduling it for your timeline. Next, we want a title, and then we want our description. Now, to get someone to watch your live, you want to have a message, okay? So you want to have a message that you want someone, that's going to be attractive to them and tells them why they should spend their time with you. So I've already pre-written something just for sake of time. Now, we might say, put it up here and put an emoticon. If you haven't been watching any of our training, then you know we love emoticons. Stop, feeling overwhelmed because, actually, no, that's not the one I want to say. Not knowing what to, post on Facebook is costing you money. Boom. Then I want to do another emoticon at the end. Okay, So, and then I've already written it down here. Now let's go through this. It's really important. So one of the giveaways, and it'll be in the link in this video, down below this video, that will give you is called our 10 Facebook headline tips. You want to use a headline that grabs attention. Emoticon, the best color we found has been red, because red is stop, so it grabs their attention. Now, a lot of the time when you're going live, your headline will not be seen, but they will see your first line or two. So your first line or two is the thing that you want to use to grab their attention. So coming down here, as you can see, we've got a couple of emoticons in there, and then we have a very simple, we use the story brand process of 3 steps to make it very clear for them to join the webinar or join the broadcast. Now, we also tell them what to do. We want them to click the reminder. The reminder is everything. It's so important. Now, if we go down here a little bit further, I can select an image. Now, before we go there, we'll just double check we've got everything covered here. Yep, the time, the date, it's going to my timeline, it's going to be public. Some of you be careful that you don't have that stick to private because it won't be seen. Now, if we look over here, we'll be able to see what this is going to look like. So there's the my post or my information. Here will be the image that we'll get. And do you see this get reminder button? This is so important. Okay, so copy the URL of this announcement post so we can put that there. URL will be created after a live video has been scheduled. Now, if we come over here, there's different options. You can actually end your live video stream. Okay, so if the live video stops, you'll be able, you can click this, it'll just be ended automatically. If you want to embed it into a page, this is amazing. So if you have a website and you want the live video to be broadcast, so rather than send them to a page on Facebook or to your profile or to a group on Facebook, you can actually copy this code and put it onto a page on your website, and your live video will broadcast on the website. Now, after the live, you can also have it delete. So at the end of your live, it can actually be unpublished and nobody can see it. Allow viewers to rewind, and which has to be under 8 hours to do that. So there are all your controls that you have inside of scheduling a live video for your Facebook profile. But before we schedule and say go live, we want to make sure that we use a nice image for over here. So we upload it into this section. Oh, sorry guys, down here. So let's go over here into into Canva. So we've already created a template here that we use for our Facebook Live. So a template for when we're going to post something on the Facebook Live, sorry, on the Facebook as a scheduled live. So what we do here is this is just a Facebook event. So if I wanted to go back here to Canva, so I log into Canva, and if you're wanting to know the dimensions of a image for yourself to use, you want to use a Facebook event cover. That's the image size. It's right there, simple to click on, and then you can create your own image. Now, because we've already got one created, I'm going to go back to our own designs that we have here, and I will fix this up and I'll show you what I do. Now, I want my event cover to be, sorry about that. I want my event cover to actually be attractive. I want it to grab people's attention. So I come down here, I'm going to change the time here to 2 p.m. Sydney. Okay, and we'll make it on Tuesday. Oh. Okay, and here, put an S there. Okay, now this is a photo of Naomi and I. Now, Naomi won't be on this one. This is just going to be me. So I'm going to come down here, find a nice little photo. I've got photos of me in here somewhere. Go down here. So making this nice and simple, James's photos. And so put that in there, just something simple. Okay, done. All right, now to join the broadcast, or actually I'll change that word to get reminder. Remember, people won't do things unless you tell them to do it. You must tell people exactly what you want them to do, or they won't do it. So now I'm just going to download that. So make it a PNG. We don't want all of them. We just want that first one. Done. Download. Now that's going to download it for me. I'm going to take that image and bring it straight over here on to my Facebook Live. Select an image. And that will upload, and you'll see it's now over here. And you'll see the Get Reminder button. I've already placed it over top of the Get Reminder. And I'm just going to press Schedule Live. Done. How simple is that? Now remember, one of the most important things that you can have in your text is tell them what to do, click Get Reminder. This live has been scheduled for today at 2 p.m. Done. That is how you schedule a live for your Facebook profile. Now, if we go over here, we should be able to go into upcoming lives, and it should show up. There it is right there. Okay, and if I want to change it and go live now, I just click the Go Live Now button. If I want to view the post, I can see it there. If I want to edit the post, I can see it there. But if I want to go live straight away or earlier, I just click that button. So where do you go when it's time to go live? You come back to your Creator Studio and click Go Live. And that's exactly what you do to create and schedule a Facebook Live for your Facebook personal profile.
So we hope you enjoyed that video that's showing you how to go live or schedule a live on your Facebook profile. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you receive a notification every time we produce a brand new video for you on YouTube. We've got a lot coming for you, so don't miss out.